change the element in a water heater, first thing, very important, make sure that it's de-energized. Unplug it from the outlet. There's a Phillips head screw at the bottom of the water heater trap door. You take that out, the whole cover lifts up. Then, this is your water heater element. Remove the wires from the water heater element. Using a pair of large channel locks or a crescent wrench, it will just turn out of the housing. And once it's loose, you can turn it out by hand. Okay, it's a water heater element. A lot of times when they're burned out, they'll be white. They'll have a white color to them, or they'll be literally broken. To replace it, it's the exact opposite of what you did to take it out. Don't bang it on the glass inside of it if you can avoid it. You just line up the threads, thread it in there. It's a small lip on there, so it tighten it up so much. Replace your wires. They're Phillips screws. After that, plug it back into the wall and your heat should be working again.